Lawn Guard by Rahul Rajaram, Jacob Samern, Gabe Holmes, and Nate Wood. So, for our team rules before we start, I am Gabe Holmes. I'm the speaker and presentator.
I'm Nate Wood, and I did the front end and design.
My name is Jacob, and I worked on the back end.
So I'm Rahul Rajaram, and I did the vision processing code.
Here is how we structured our group. We presented the idea in November. We met with our mentors from nationwide. We used GitHub for the code, Discord for communication, group calls through Discord, and Telegram for meeting times.
Details of our app. We used OpenCV to detect desiccated, uncut, and well cared for lawns. We coded our app in Android App Studio using Java and Kotlin. Features of our application.
Do you have that neighbor whose lawn is always just better than everyone else's? It's better tended to and better cared for just because they have a lawn care company that does it for them. Have you tried to have your lawn look as good as theirs, but not had the time, money, or knowledge to be able to make it look like that? LawnGuard is the cheap alternative to make you the professional. It quickly gives you information on your lawn so you know when is it time to cut your grass and to water it.
We had multiple screens to our app. The first screen was the welcome screen. It just had our logo and two buttons, the check care and the weak spots button. The check care is basically, it takes you to a screen where we'll see the strong spots of your lawn, and the weak spots shows the weak spots of your lawn.
The camera that we picked to use is very easy to use. All you gotta do is take a picture of your lawn.
The big reveal. Lawn Guard will highlight your lawn's points, such as desiccation or uncut sections. Lawn Guard will also show your lawn's strong suits.
You might be wondering, why use LawnGuard? LawnGuard tells you what the pros already know, so you save time by taking photos that quickly tell you information about your lawn. This means you're not left guessing what your lawn needs. You know when and where to water and cut it. This saves you money because you don't have to buy expensive lawn care services to do the work for you. You're also not buying the wrong tools or equipment trying to fix a problem yourself. With the knowledge from LawnGuard, you don't use extra water or mowing gas, overwatering or over mowing. This helps the environment because you don't have wasted water or pollution from the over mowing. The health of your grass is also increased because it is at a healthy height with a good amount of water.
So one of the main reasons to use Lawn Guard is it actually helps stop crime. The city of Baltimore did a study. If front yard landscaping deterred crime, they found that maintained front yards that were well cared for correlated with lower crime, and especially as shown in the presentation, desiccation and uncut lawns showed a larger increase than some other things. They were the ones that were easiest to detect, and that's why we chose to focus in on those in our app.
Using our app increases mental health. According to Thrive Global, having a clean environment increases self-confidence, gives a sense of ownership, increases productivity, and helps prevent germs. Very important in this time.
The next steps. We're going to go into further app testing to try and improve our app and find more lawn maintenance camera results. We're going to try and get it into the App Store and get some user feedback while trying to do all of this. We're hopefully going to try and get a partnership with a lawn care company too.
My group had a fun time developing our app LawnGuard. We believe we made something many people need without knowing. It saves time because it has a simple camera feature. It saves people money because you don't need to buy a professional service. It saves the environment because it has healthier lawns with less pollution. People make their lawns nicer, reducing crime rates and having safer communities. It also will increase mental health because of the cleaner environments. Lawn Guard. Fast, professional lawns that help your community.
Hello, judges. This is Rahul from Teaspoon. I'm just going to show you our app's code. So this is the welcome screen. This is the UI for it, and this is the backend for it. This first initiated the buttons, good and bad, and that's these two buttons right here, good and bad. And basically it says if you click one button, it'll go to one screen, and if you click another button, it'll go to another screen. So that's that. Now let's go over to main activity. So this is the bad. This is not the bad screen, is it? It'll detect the bad features of your lawn. So we use OpenCV, and Cascade classifiers are very integral to our code. So what Cascade classifiers are they take a set amount of images that are positive and some that are negative. Positive images are something you're trying to detect, and negative things are things you're trying not to detect. So it combines it into an algorithm that it's able to routinely detect certain things. So we created Cascade classifiers for desiccation and the uncut lawns. What this does here is it takes a picture. Right here, this is the back button for that. This takes a picture right here. We use the media store module, and then all of this stuff is the image process. This stuff converts the bitmap image we get to a string, which we convert into a matte image style for OpenCV to use, and then here we use the Cascade classifiers, and then we draw our rectangles, and then we set the image back. We essentially do the same thing, except we're only using one for main activity 2. This is the good one. We're just checking if your lawn is good, and we only use one Cascade classifier for this. And then this is our design for it. There'll be a image of your camera. This is the back button. This is the picture. And that's the same for both of them. So this is our UI UX. Thank you. Our UI UX and our code. Thank you.